Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A little bit of a pattern, kind of like a halftone, and you could use any shape. I just happen to use circles. Pretty cool and pretty easy. Probably the best way to do it, and you could have more or less, is to draw you a square, hit P, put it in center page, which really doesn't matter in this case. Draw you a circle, holding down the control button. Let's make this 1 inch. And then let's put it right here on that node. Hit the plus key on your keyboard and then move it to right there on that node. Control D to make a duplicate and move them up to here. Now individually, let's change this to 0.5. When you do that with your ratio locked, it'll put it still in the center. We don't need the rectangle anymore, so I'm going to move it out of the way. I am going to grab both these and I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend them 7 times. I'm going to take these and I'm going to blend them 7 times. And you could actually probably do more on the smaller ones. I'm going to select everything and I'm going to go to Object and break the 6 objects apart. I'm going to go to Object and Group and Ungroup All. I am going to Control G to group these 2 things together. I'm going to grab both of them and I'm going to blend them 7 times. I'm going to go ahead and fill them in with black. So I'm going to left click, right click, no outline. I'm going to go ahead and Control G to group that together. Well, you know what? I probably need to break it apart, break the blend apart. I'm going to go ahead and go, I don't know why, but always ungroup all and then group it together. And then get them at a kind of like a diagonal. And I should have used probably more. Take a 2-point line and go from the center of there to the center of that one. Center of that one, center of that one. So that's the center between those 2. Control D to duplicate. Take that very top one and move it to the center of that. Now take your lines away and you have a kind of a half tone. If I would have done more, it would have looked a little bit better. But even to make it a little bit more half tone, you could go to Object, Group, and group it together. And then use your interactive fill tool just to grab it and go upwardly. And you see I've got it picked on white right now. It's having to change the color on all of them. So it's kind of giving you a half-tone look that it's kind of going off into space. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.